My name is Christa Rassau. Keynote is an easy-to-use program that allows a person to create a presentation that is professional, entertaining, and engaging to their viewers. Keynote can also be used as an educational tool to assist with instruction. This program has many features that make a presentation more appealing. These features include slide transitions, special effects, slide themes, and it also supports QuickTime video. At this point in time, I would like to show you how to start a new presentation, change the theme of the slide, add transitions and special effects, and change the layout of the slide to accommodate images to make the presentation more interesting to its viewers. When clicking on the Keynote icon, the program will open by showing the Theme Chooser window. This window provides the user with a variety of different themes that can be applied to the slideshow. It is important to determine the purpose of the presentation and choose the theme accordingly. Once you have decided which theme you would like to use, click on the specific theme you would like to apply to your presentation. Once you choose a theme that is appropriate for your slideshow, a new blank page will open displaying the theme you chose. When starting a slideshow, it is always nice to have a title slide. For this particular slide, I will make it simple and name it Guilt 518. Just click in the box and start typing. Next, I am going to add another slide by clicking on Slide in the toolbar and clicking on New Slide. At this point, a new slide will be displayed. As you continue working, you can change the layout of the slide in order to fit the topic you are talking about. In order to change the layout of the slide, click on the Master's icon in the Keynote toolbar. When clicking on the Master's icon, a menu will come up with a variety of different layout options. Click on the option that best fits your topic. There are few slides that will make it easier to add pictures and different content. Also, if you decide that the theme doesn't match the purpose of the slideshow, you can change the theme by clicking on the Themes button on the Keynote menu bar. At this point in time, I think I'm going to keep the theme that I have chosen. Let's go back to the title page and add a few special effects and transitions. In order to add special effects to make your slideshow more interesting, click on the inspector icon in the Keynote toolbar. The inspector menu bar will appear. Make sure that at the top of the menu it shows that the Build Inspector is chosen. Highlight the word or image that you would like to add a special effect to. Once it is highlighted, you can click on Build In, Build Out, or Action. Build In is the action where the word or image enters the screen. Build Out is when the word or image leaves the screen. The Action button just gives the word an action and does not necessarily enter or leave the screen. We are just going to focus on the word entering the screen. Once the word is highlighted, choose the action that you would like the word to have by clicking on the Effects drop-down menu. The inspector allows you to change the speed, effect, and direction. The small screen at the top of the inspector menu allows you to view the effects that were added. The inspector also allows you to create special transitions between slides. At the top of the inspector menu, click on the Slide Inspector button. Then click on the Transition button. In order to choose a special effect, click on the Effect menu and choose the effect that you would like to use as transition. Be sure to add special effects and transitions throughout your slideshow in order to be consistent. It is important to stay consistent in order to make your slideshow more professional. Also, do not overuse a variety of special effects because it could make the presentation difficult to view or overwhelming for the viewer. As you are working on your project, don't forget to periodically save your slideshow so that you don't accidentally lose your project. Now that I have shown you the very basics of Keynote, take a few minutes to start a new presentation, change the theme of the slide, add transitions and special effects, and change the layout of the slide. Please feel free to review this tutorial for future assistance with starting a slideshow. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me at rassauc@duq.edu. Thank you for viewing the how-to tutorial on making a Keynote presentation.